Hello loves, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing, and if today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. Please do so good to click on that red subscribe button to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make no-bake homemade cinnamon biscuit. Guys, you're going to love this recipe. If you want to know how I came up with this yummy biscuit, continue watching as I share. So the first thing is to put 1 cup of all-purpose flour in a bowl, and this is cornmeal. It's also 1 cup, so I'll be adding it to the all-purpose flour. Here I have 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon powder, and I'll be mixing everything together. So after mixing this, I'll be setting this aside. Here I have 150 ml of water and 3 tablespoons powdered milk. I'll be dissolving the powdered milk in the water. This is 3 tablespoons granulated sugar, so I'll be adding a good amount and I'll be leaving a little for later use. Here I have 6 tablespoons vegetable oil, and I've added it to the flour mixture, and I'll be mixing everything together till well incorporated. So I'll be adding the milk, sugar, water content into the flour, and I'll be mixing everything all together. Don't be tempted to add additional flour, it will all set up. We are going to mix till we get a non-sticky dough. Hope you guys are seeing it. Our dough is non-sticky, so I've added the remaining sugar like I said earlier. And this is it. The next step is to shape our biscuits. So guys, I'm pressing with my hands. You can use cutter if you have a cutter. You can, cut into any shape of choice. All right. But this looks more like a biscuit shape. So I'm indenting it with a fork to give it that biscuit look. Hope you guys are seeing what I'm doing. So I'm done with this process. Like I said, this is a no-bake cinnamon biscuit. So I've heat up my oil and I'll be frying. Guys, this recipe was so delicious. You can, get your ingredients and make your biscuit yourself and enjoy. So guys, we'll be flipping to the other side. We'll be frying this biscuits until golden brown. Guys, this no bake homemade cinnamon biscuit was so yummy. Like yummy. Kids now, they enjoy biscuits. Kids love biscuits. So I normally make this for them. So we enjoy this. Guys, make sure you try out this my no bake homemade cinnamon biscuits and you'll be glad you did. As you guys can see, it's done. Isn't this yummy? Oh wow, isn't this yummy, guys? Our biscuit is done. So I'll be transferring it to a paper towel and I'll be leaving it to cool completely, and store in an airtight container. And what? Enjoy. Guys, enjoy. Hope you loved and enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give me that like, please. Subscribe, please. Alright guys, see you in my next one and have a lovely day. Bye bye.